Oh, the belt has broken. I will have to inform sir. I wonder how the GM will react. Is sir there?
Sir. What happened? Why the siren?
Sir, we are facing a big problem. Sir, the joint of the conveyor belt has broken, because of which all the raw material is falling down, which is a terrible loss for us.
How's that possible? Which joint solution have you used for the conveyor belt?
Sir, actually, the problem is that the purchase department gave me a cheap joint solution. I had requested them a lot to buy a quality product, that which is the best and which will last a lifetime. But
Cheap joint solution has created this massive problem. In 30 years of my experience, Ohm 2000 is the best joint solution with no comparison.
yes, sir.
Ohm 2000 never fails. Our product prevents losses and earns profits.
Go. Go right now. Order Ohm 2000 immediately. Ohm 2000. That lasts with a conveyor belt for a lifetime. Ohm 2000. A product that our nation is proud of.
Yes, sir. Oliver's Ohm 2000. With unique features and unmatched strength. I will order it right away, sir. Thank you.
All products of Oliver are world class. Not only their joining solutions, but their rubber sheets also help in reducing the elongation of conveyor belts. Because they are designed with new technology, it eliminates the need of scraper for the pulley lagging sheet. With almost 40 years of experience, Oliver products may be a little expensive, but are of excellent quality. Please use their products for your manufacturing plant to increase productivity and avoid loss due to shutdowns.